Welcome to the world of square foot gardening. It's a simple yet effective method where you divide your garden into square foot sections using a grid system like I show you here. You can use the string method or you can also use the cardboard method. I like the cardboard method. So here I am planting some zucchini. They actually need a little bit more than a square foot section. So I'm giving them some space but using my piece of cardboard as my guide. And on the other side, I'm going to plant some squash. They as well need a little bit more than a square foot per plant. So I'm giving them that little bit of extra space and some space in between. I'll probably put my A-frame trellis there. Here are my tomatoes. They also have one per square foot. Now I'm doing my raised bed that's approximately 2 feet by 4 feet wide. So I'm dividing it into 8 sections and I'll be planting my peppers here. Peppers are also one per square foot. Just to give you another example, later in the day I planted carrots. You can actually plant 16 carrots per square foot. I hope you look at my post. I'll attach it down below. In my post, I have a chart that is pretty complete with as many vegetables as I can think of so that you know how many per square foot. Here is last year's garden. That was done using the square foot method. I absolutely love it. I hope you do too. Let me know how you do, and I would love to see pictures.